Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So welcome to my next lecture, grade 12, chapter 4, topic reproductive health. So in this chapter we will discuss about the strategies and problem related to the reproductive health. So what is reproductive health? It is a state of physical, emotional, behavioral and social fitness for leading a reproductive life. According to WHO, World Health Organization, a total well-being in all aspects of reproduction. To achieve this, family planning that is initiated in 1951. What are the problems? In Indian culture, discussing about knowledge of sex and reproductive health is a wrong thing. Early marriage. As soon as girls attain puberty, the teenage girl is not fit to bear fetus. After marriage, the career of lady is blocked in lot of family. Maternal and infant mortality rate are high in early marriages. There is a little knowledge about the personal hygiene to avoid sexually transmitted disease, also known as STD. There may be population explosion with lack of reproductive health. So these are some problems. Now, strategies. It include number of the program are launched under reproductive and child health care. Child health care, that RCH. That awareness program are conducted for both male and female, which leads to healthy reproductive life. Creating awareness about fertility regulating methods and create awareness about the personal hygiene. Preventing and protecting against the STD, which is sexually transmitted diseases. Now, population explosion and birth control. So what is population explosion? The increase in size and growth of human population is called population explosion. The reason for high population explosion are: first is decline in death rate, second, longer lifespan, third, decline in maternal mortality, that means death rate, decline in infant mortality rate. Infant means offspring, newly born baby. Some religious beliefs against birth control. Last, lack of reproductive health knowledge. So these are some reasons for the high population explosion. Now, birth control. Family welfare and family planning program comes forward to avoid uncontrolled human population explosion. The contraception is main aim of the birth control. And prevention of contraception or fertilization of ovum during sexual intercourse is called contraception. The different types of contraceptions are natural method, barrier method, intrauterine device, that is also called IUDs, oral contraceptions, injection and implantation. Last is the surgical method. So let's start with natural method. It works on the principle of avoiding chance of meeting of ovum and sperm. First is the periodic abstinence. It is a method in which couple avoid or abstain coitus from day, that is 10th to 17th of the menstrual cycle, when ovulation could be expected. Withdrawal or coitus interruption. In this method, male partner withdraw his penis from the vagina just before ejaculation to avoid the inseminations. Okay, after that, lactational amenorrhea. It goes due to intense lactation for about 6 months after parturition. No menstruation occur during lactation period. Hence, chance of fertilization is absent. Now, physical contraceptive or barrier methods. This method basically prevent contact of sperm and ovum by barriers. Such method available both for male as well as for female partner. So first is condom. The condom are the barrier made of thin rubber latex sheet. The male condom is used to cover the penis. It is used just before coitus so that semen not be entered into female reproductive tract. It also prevent from sexually transmitted disease, that is AIDS and STDs. The female condoms are diaphragm, cervical caps and vaults made up of rubber latex. These are inserted into the female reproductive tract to cover the cervix. Now, IUD, intrauterine devices. These devices are only used by female doctors or by expert nurses. Insert these into the uterus through the vagina. Different type of the IUDs are: first, non-medicated IUD. Examples: lips loop act as a barrier. Second, copper releasing IUD, that is CUT, CU7 or multi-load 375. Copper ion release suppresses sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of sperm. It also increases phagocytosis of sperm within the uterus. Now, hormone releasing IUD, that is the progesterone LNG20, which make the uterus unsuitable for implantation and cervix hostile to the sperm. So rest part we will discuss in the next lecture. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, be happy, stay blessed, and thank you.